Bonjour et bienvenue à French Art. Hello guys and welcome back to French Art. So we have a very interesting topic today. It is a verb in French. And yes, we can use this verb to describe a few things about ourselves. For example, our nationality, profession or qualities. So after this verb, you will be able to speak about and write about 4 to 5 lines or maximum 6 to 7 lines about yourself. So let us start with the lesson. So here it is. The name of the lesson is être. Être. That is a verb in French. It is a part of exception verbs. So the name of the verb is être. So the name of the verb is être. And the meaning is to be. To be. So basically what are the things that are included in this to be? इस to be को use करके मैं verb को कैसे use करूँगा? So these are the things that are given in the rule number 1. So we have the rule number 1 here. So basically the things that are going to be included in to be are: it is used to define the nature, nationality, quality, profession, physical appearance and mood of a person. So basically अगर मुझे अपना या किसी और का नेचर, प्रोफेशन, क्वालिटी, मूड ऑफ अ पर्सन इनमें से कुछ भी बताना है, so I'll use the verb être. So for example, if I have to tell my nationality, so I will use I am Indian, so I have to use the word I am. अगर मुझे किसी और के बारे में बोलना है, that will be you are, we are, they are, he is, she is. So now I need to check कि I am, you are, he is, she is ये क्या है हमारे पास. तो these are basically the conjugations of the verb. The conjugations. So the conjugations are given here. So let us start with the conjugations. So the first one is I am. I am. That is je suis. Je suis. I am is je suis. Next we have is you are. You are. That is tu es. Tu es. You just have to follow the Hindi one for the correct pronunciations. And the pronunciation is tu es. And again, yes, tu es is for informal things. Informal subject. जब हम इनफॉर्मली बात करते हैं अपने भाई बहन से या फ्रेंड से, तो हम त्यू ए यूज करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज ही इज और शी इज. ही इज एंड शी इज, एंड दैट इज एल ए एंड एल ए. तो ई एस टी इज कमिंग विद बोथ ऑफ देम. एल के साथ भी ए है और एल के साथ भी ए है. तो ही इज विल बी एल ए एंड शी इज एल ए. Next we have is you are. Again we are having a you are. Now this one is the formal one. जब हम आप करके बात करते हैं, the formal one you are. So this is vous êtes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Yes. Next we have is we are. For we are, we have nous sommes. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Next we have is they are. For they are, we have two options, ils sont and elles sont. Let me repeat, ils sont and elles sont. So now we have two options for they are. These are basically gender biased. When I'm talking about a group of people जहाँ पे सभी मेल हैं, तो मैं कौन सा यूज करने वाला हूँ? द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज ils sont. This one is for male. एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जहां पे सभी फीमेल्स हैं, तो हम ये सेकेंड वाला यूज करेंगे, दैट इज एल सो. दिस वन इज फॉर फीमेल. बट अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जहां पे मेल भी है और फीमेल भी है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ ग्रुप जहां पे मेल भी है एंड फीमेल्स भी हैं, तो प्रायोरिटी ऑलवेज गोज टू द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज द मेल वन, एल सो, फॉर both. So I hope this one is understood. Now rule number 1 we are done. Now we have rule number 2. Rule number 2 is used without article. Used without article. So être की verb, in the verb être we cannot use articles. नाउ वी हैव एग्जांपल फॉर दिस, आर्टिकल्स बेसिकली ए एंड द, तो हम वो यूज नहीं कर सकते. सो वी हैव एन एग्जांपल हियर. सो फर्स्ट वन इज ही इज अ डॉक्टर इन दिल्ली. He is a doctor in Delhi. So we are just going to translate this sentence. First thing, I have to see what is written in the sentence. He is a doctor. तो डॉक्टर बेसिकली क्या है? दैट इज अ प्रोफेशन. सो वी आर यूजिंग प्रोफेशन. हम प्रोफेशन बता रहे हैं किसी का, तो हम यूज करेंगे द वर्ब एत्र, द टॉपिक वी आर डूइंग टुडे. सो द एत्र वर्ब यहाँ पे फिट कर सकते हैं. तो डॉक्टर के लिए देखो हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया है मेदसा. मेदसा. नाउ वी हैव ही इज. सबसे पहले ही इज है, तो ही इज को हमने ट्रांसलेट कर दिया इल ए, जो भी हमने ऊपर कॉन्जुगेशंस में पढ़ा था. तो ही इज इल ए. देन डॉक्टर इज मेदसा. एंड देन वी हैव इज इन दिल्ली को हमने ट्रांसलेट कर दिया आर दिल्ली. सो अब देखो हमने यहाँ पे वी हैवंट ट्रांसलेटेड दिस अ, ही इज अ डॉक्टर, तो हमने वो अ ट्रांसलेट नहीं किया, हमने उसके बिना लिखा है. बिकॉज this is the rule of the verb être. We cannot use an article. In English, we can say he is a doctor, but French says he is doctor without the article. So you have to make sure कि आप जब भी être की verb use करोगे, आप you are not using the articles. Next, we have some more examples. Next one is you are Canadian. You are Canadian. So we have you are is vous êtes. Vous êtes. This one is the formal one, informal as well, that is tu a. We can use the informal one as well, tu a. तो vous êtes और tu a canadien. Vous êtes canadien. Tu es canadien. The formal and the informal. Next we have is we are egoistic. We are egoistic. For we are, we have the translation that is nous sommes. Nous sommes. Nous sommes égoïstes. Nous sommes égoïstes. So you just have to translate the sentence and nothing else, but make sure you are not using the article in the sentence. Now, moving forward to the next rule. Next we have is rule number 3. The rule number 3 is the adjectives change with the gender and the number of the subject. So basically the adjectives that we are using in this verb, that are going to be changed according to the gender and the numbers of the subject. So let's clear out with this the examples. First we have is he is a doctor. He is a doctor. So he is translated as LA. LA. Then doctor is medsa. LA medsa. Next we have is she is a doctor. Now we have changed the gender. She is a doctor. So for she is, we have LA. LA. Now we have already used the word doctor, that is medsa, but we have put an extra E after the medsa because we are talking about a girl, because we are using the subject she is. So in case of female adjectives, we have to put an extra E for the female ones. Male के लिए यही रहेगा normal medsa ending with n, but for the female we'll put an extra e, medsa. Pronunciation will be the same. Next we have is we are Indians. We are Indians. Now for we are we have nous sommes. Nous sommes. And for Indians we have is andiya. But yes, there is a small change. Andiya is ending with n, but we have put an extra s. And that s, that too because we are talking about we are more than 2 people. हम सब के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो we are Indians. जब 2 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं तो वो प्लूरल है. तो for the plural one we have put an extra s. We put an extra s. Next we have is they are beautiful. They are beautiful. So in the bracket we have written f because we have to use the feminine version. So for they are, for the feminine version we have elles sont. Elles sont. Now I have used the word beautiful. The female version, obviously the female version is belle. For beautiful we have 2 options. For male it is beau. For female it is belle. Now we are using the word belle because we are using the female version of they are. So for the female version of they are we have used the word belle, but we have also put an extra s. We have also added an extra s because we are talking about they are beautiful. That means plural thing. So for the plural ones, we have to put an extra s. Next we have is she is Indian. She is Indian. Again we know she is को हम बोलेंगे LA. Next Indian we have is Andean. So basically this one is the feminine version of Indian. Andean. Next we have is they are Indians. So for they are, again we have to use the female version. We have used elles sont. Now in the word Andean we have to add an extra s because we are talking about a group of people. तो group of people है तो plural है. ठीक है. So let me just again explain you with example. For example, अगर मुझे Indian word लिखना है, I have to mention the nationality, that is Indian. So for Indians we have 4 options. First one we have is Andiya. This is used for male. Next we have is Andiyan. This we use for females. 2 ऑप्शंस तो हमारे पास क्लियर है. अब ये तो हो गया अगर मुझे ही इज या शी इज करके बोलना है या फिर आई एम करके ही बोलना है. बट अगर मुझे प्लूरल उठाना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे दे के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोलना है, तो वी हैव मेल प्लूरल. We just have to add an extra s. That extra s, that is now male but plural. And now अगर मुझे female plural चाहिए तो that will be Andean with an extra s. That will be female plural. So you just have to make sure according to the subject कौन से adjective, which adjective and which gender you have to pick. So I hope you have understood this topic. So but if there is any doubt, any query regarding this topic, you can comment, and also you can practice this by writing a small description about yourself. You can mention your name, your nationality, your profession, your qualities, your physical appearance. That way you can write almost 5 to 6 lines about yourself. So merci beaucoup everyone. Thank you.